Are you wondering what to do if your portable router has suddenly stopped working, or maybe it has frozen up, or maybe it's simply not providing Wi-Fi connection anymore? So if it is working previously and everything was okay with it, what I suggest to do is either do a hard reset on this unit or simply literally take out the battery on it and simply restart it from fresh. But yeah, so if you, for example, can't connect anymore to the Wi-Fi connection, what I suggest to do is simply take maybe like a pin, and you see you have a small hole over here. They have maybe like different designs, so but again, they all of them have some kind of hole where you can insert a pin, and if you insert it and hold for a few seconds, the unit itself will like factory reset itself, essentially clear all the settings, everything, and it should work. So, and are you wondering if this basically lagging and glitching on these units is actually normal? So unfortunately, yep. So I have used maybe like 3 different of these portable routers, and so these very cheap ones, and all of them have been like very unreliable. Essentially, sometimes what happens, for example, on this unit, basically my screen goes completely white, and if I actually turn it on and off, nothing happens, simply basically freeze up. Or sometimes maybe some text actually start appear here, and again I can't control anything, it simply gets stuck essentially. Also sometimes basically from this unit, sometimes my Wi-Fi connection also drops and literally just stops working, and again I can't connect to it. So again, and it does this very frequently, actually even sometimes multiple times per day. So again, it's quite frustrating to use. And again, so if you want reliable device, again, this is not that in my opinion. But yeah, most of the time when I simply take a pin and basically do the hard reset on this unit, it actually starts working okay, maybe works for some time before again maybe glitching out and doing some junk again. So again, yeah, I suggest you to invest simply basically in higher end units that's more reliable. These ones, again, I paid personally like only $10 for this one. It does the job. But yeah, the internet connection speed also isn't very good. Battery life is decent. That's the only plus, I guess. But yeah, it basically glitching and lagging, again, kind of completely normal on this one. Good luck.